Let's be honest, the digital asset market lately has been stressful. Extreme volatility, constant information overload, opinions everywhere, 24/7. For most everyday investors, the problem isn't intelligence, it's emotional pressure and over-decision making. So today, I want to talk about one question. Can technology actually reduce investment stress instead of adding complexity? Most everyday users share the same challenges. No time to watch the market constantly, not professional traders, and definitely not interested in emotional roller coasters. If you don't check the market, you fear missing out. If you check too much, you end up overreacting. That's investment fatigue. Recently, I've been looking into a platform called Futurionex. What stood out to me is that it doesn't push users to trade more. Instead, it focuses on automation and system-based decision-making, letting the system handle complexity and letting users stay rational. On Futurionex, automation runs through the entire process: market data collection, signal recognition, position adjustment, and execution. Users set their risk preference and goals. The system dynamically adapts based on volatility and liquidity, and automatically manages exposure during extreme market conditions. In simple terms, rules replace emotions. Another key idea is systematization. Strategies and risk controls are standardized and modularized, continuously calibrated through backtesting and real-time monitoring. When indicators move outside predefined ranges, the system automatically rebalances or reduces trading frequency. Everything stays within one consistent logic framework, which is critical for non-professional users. From a user experience perspective, Futurionex is clearly designed for beginners. Goal-oriented strategy guides, risk sliders with scenario explanations, and transparent performance and risk control logs. You can clearly see why decisions were made, when adjustments happened, and how risks were managed. In my view, Futurionex isn't about predicting the market. It's about solving a more practical problem, helping everyday users stay rational in volatile environments. If you believe in less screen time and more systematic investing, this is definitely a platform worth exploring.